today, 4th July 2020. Me, Alia Ghosh, news anchor from Lavafara Media Air brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. Magnitude 4.5 earthquake strikes 63 kilometers southwest of Gurugram. Tremors felt in Delhi NCR. New Delhi earthquake tremors were felt in Delhi NCR on Friday evening when an earthquake of magnitude 4.5 hit 63 kilometers southwest of Gurgaon, Haryana, according to National Center for Seismology. Earlier today, an earthquake of magnitude 4.6 hit near Champai in Mizoram on June 25. An earthquake of magnitude 4.5 struck south of Champai in Mizoram. Vande Bharat mission, India to operate 9 more flights to evacuate stranded citizens from UAE. Dubai, India will operate 9 more flights on Friday to evacuate its citizens stranded in the UAE due to the travel restrictions imposed in view of coronavirus pandemic. Air India Expresses will operate these flights as a part of the Vande Bharat mission to South Indian cities from Sharjah. According to the Indian Consulate in Dubai, all India national advised to take note of the direct sale of Air India Express flights from Sharjah. Following flights will be opened for sale effective 4 a.m. UAE time on July 3. Make sure to book your tickets once the sale is live, the mission announced on Twitter. The flights scheduled to operate from July 9 to 14 are flying to Madurai, Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Tiruchirappalli, Kochi and Hyderabad, the Gulf News reported. Indian national registered with the Embassy of India, Abu Dhabi, or the Consulate General of India in Dubai, fulfilling the required entry conditions, can book through Air India Express book offices or online on www.airindiaexpress.in or through authorized travel agents in the UAE. The statement with the flight details posted on Twitter said, mentioning of current passport number and contact number is important, otherwise tickets can be cancelled or boarding pass may be denied. The Indian Consulate said while 75% of tickets are open to sale, 25% are reserved for those with emergency cases handled by the missions. The report said over 1,25,000 Indians have already been safely repatriated home from UAE since 7th May. We will continue Vande Bharat mission till all those who want to go back are covered. Thank you all our partners. The Indian Embassy in the UAE said on tweet on Wednesday. Which tiger, paper or circus Kamal Nath mocks Sikh India? Sailana, Madhya Pradesh Congress chief Kamal Nath on Friday took a veiled spite at Jyotiraditya Scindia has one-time revival in the party. Now a BJP MP over a statement that tiger is still alive. Speaking after the Shivraj Singh Chauhan's government expansion on Thursday, Scindia, whose exit from the Congress with 22 MLAs toppled the Nath government in March, said he wanted to tell Congress leader that Tiger Abhi Zinda hai. Speaking at a function in Ratlam district, Nath referred to the remark and asked which tiger is alive, paper tiger or the circus one. Nath also took digs at Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I am neither a Maharaja nor a Mama, he said. Scindia, who belongs to a former royal family, is sometimes called Maharaja in state politics, while Chauhan's popular nickname is Mama Uncle. I have not even sold tea, I am just Kamal Nath, he said in a GB at the Prime Minister. Some people say that they are tigers. I am not even a tiger, but I am also not a paper tiger. Now the people of the state will decide who is who. Congress veteran added. Thank you.